Getting an instant quote for tube bending with Xometry is quick and easy. Simply drag and drop or upload your CAD files to get started. Within seconds, our instant quoting engine will analyze your geometry and set you up with a tube bending quote. It will even detect your tube profile, outer diameter, and wall thickness automatically. Click on the Configure Part button to continue refining your quote. You can review feedback and use our 3D viewer to examine your designs on the left side panel. On the right, you can find a quantity pricing chart and a search box for more resources. You can specify quantity, material, and finish. Your pricing will automatically update based on your selections. Be sure to upload a technical drawing so we have all the information necessary to manufacture your part accurately. You can add attachments by dragging and dropping them or clicking the Add an Attachment button. You can also request certifications, such as certificates of conformance and material certifications, by selecting the corresponding checkboxes. If you don't see what you're looking for or have other custom manufacturing requirements, check the box at the bottom of the screen and leave us some notes. Our team will manually review your request to ensure your quote is configured precisely to match your needs. You can save any changes you've made and return to the quote summary screen by clicking the Save Properties button in the upper right. When you're ready to place an order, simply click the Continue to Checkout button or share your quote with a purchaser or team. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions along the way, our customer service agents and manufacturing experts are here to help.